Momo's chatbot creation adventure. Welcome to Maya's home study room, where she and her robot friend Momo are about to start an exciting project, building their very own chatbot. Today, they will take us through the process of creating a chatbot from scratch. First, Maya needs to define the chatbot's objectives. She decides that the chatbot should answer questions about school services, provide details about admissions, and share fun facts about school events. Setting clear objectives is crucial to guide the development process. Next, Maya selects a machine learning model for her chatbot. She chooses the random forest classifier, which will help the chatbot understand and classify user inputs based on the training data. This model is effective for text classification tasks and will be key to the chatbot's functionality. Maya trains the chatbot using a dataset of school services-related common questions and their responses. She loads the data from an Excel file into the model, allowing it to learn from these examples. This training helps the chatbot understand how to respond to different types of questions. Testing is an essential step to ensure the chatbot works as expected. Maya writes the test function to simulate different user interactions and checks the chatbot's responses. Maya begins adding features to the chatbot by writing functions to handle user interactions. She defines the core function get_response, which generates responses based on the user input. With the chatbot trained, it's time to create a user-friendly interface using Streamlit, which is a Python library. This interface will allow users to interact with the chatbot through a simple web page. Finally, the chatbot now interacts, answering the questions and providing useful information. Maya is excited to see her creation in action, helping others with their inquiries about school services. Experience the joy of building your own chatbot.